Hello everybody, welcome back for today's puzzle. We are going to continue along with this Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon if you want to play along with me. I do get a small commission from any purchases. Alright, so it looks like we're doing puzzle 56 today. Where shall we start? All right, we can work on this column here. We've got 1, 2. We're missing a 3, 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 and an 8 here. So 3 or 5. A 3 here. And a 5 there. So 6 or 8. 3 there. So 5, 6, or 8. A 3 and an 8 here. So 5 or 6. And that looks like this is the only place our 3 can be. If we do this row, we've got 1, 2, 3. Looks like we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 there and a 6 there, so this is our 4. 6 there, so 5. And this has to be our 6. Let's look at this box. We're missing a 2, 4, and 9. Got no help here. So 2, 4, 9. Got a 9 there. So 2, 4. And same thing here. 2, 4. So the only place our 9 can be is here. If we look at this box, we're missing a 1, a 2, and a 6. We've got a 1 there. So 2 or 6, 2 or 6, and so our 1 has to be here. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 2 there. So 4 or 6. This column looks like we're missing 3, 2, 3, and 4. We don't have any help there. So 2, 3, 4. Got a 3 and a 4 there. So this is our 2, and that 4 means this is our 3 and 4. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 1 there and a 7 there. So this is our 5, and that 7 means this is our 1 and our 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 up there, so 2, 7. We've got a 7 there, so 2, 9. And a 9 here, so 2, 7, which means that this has to be our 9. For this row, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 there. So 5, 7, no help here, so 5, 7, 8, and an 8 there. So 5, 7, that means the only place our 8 can be is here. Finish out this box here, looks like we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 there, so 2, 5. Let's work on this column here. Looks like we're missing a 1, a 2, and an 8. We don't have any help here. So 1, 2, 8. We've got a 1 there. So 2, 8. And a 1 here. So 2, 8, which means that our 1 has to be here. We work on this column, looks like we're missing a 2, a 6, and a 9. We've got a 6 there. So 2 or 9. No help here. So 2, 6, 9. And a 9 there. So 2, 6. If we work on this column, looks like we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 3 there and a 4 there. So 2, 8. And again, the 4 there. So 2, 3, 8. So the only place our 3 can be is here, and this is the only place our 8 can be. And that 8 makes this our 6, 5, 8. Then we can get rid of the 6 here. All right. If we do this column, it looks like we're missing a 2, 4, 5, 7. We've got a 7 there and a 4 here. So 2 and 5. And here we've got a 7. So 2, 4, 5. So that's the only place our 4 can be. All right. We do this box here. Looks like we're missing 2, 5, 7, and 9. We got a 7 here. So 2, 5, 9. Got a 7 and a 5 here. So 2, 9. Got a 9 here. So 2, 5, 7. And same here. 2, 5, 7. For this box, looks like we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got 4 and 6 there. So this is our 9. And we've got no help there. So 4 and 6. All right, so let's look back. So this 9 makes this our 2. So the 2 can't be here, here, or here. Is there anything else we've got help with now? I don't think so. Right, if we look at this box, we're missing 2, 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 2, 5, and 8 in that row, so this is our 4. Got a 4 here. So 2, 5, 8. Did that 4 help us? No. Oh, but that 2 there means this is our 9. So this is our 2, this is our 6. That 2 means this is our 8, 5, 2. And then this would be our 9. That 8 makes this our 2. So that's our 5, 7, 2, 7, 5. And what are we missing here? An 8. All right. Got a 2 here. That doesn't help us, but we've got the 5 here. So 7, 5. What are we missing here? All right, I do not see how we would solve this other than just putting in numbers and hoping. So let me know in the comments down below if you see something. But if I make this the 4, this would be a 6. So this would be a 2, 4, 2, 6. All right, it worked out. So that was today's puzzle. Please do like, subscribe, and hit that reminder bell. And please do share with anyone who you think might be interested in our content. All of that really helps the channel out quite a bit. And thank you for joining me again today, and I will see you again tomorrow with our next puzzle.